news. Good Samaritan slashed. Hours after, hundreds of National Guard troops were deployed at subway stations all across New York City. Yesterday, over 750 National Guard troops began flooding New York City subway stations. Do you know what martial law is? Martial law involves the temporary substitution of military authority for civilian rule and is usually invoked during a time of war. New York isn't the only place that the troops have been deployed. Look at Texas. Look at California. What is the safest place during martial law? Establish a survival bunker in a hidden location. Martial law isn't just a U.S. thing, it's a global thing. And even if it seems unrealistic, do you not trust your own eyes? Have you seen what train station looked like in the 1940s? Take over the cities. Most likely all sanctuary cities will be looking like this. Let crime get really bad on purpose. Open the borders. Use it as an excuse to implement extreme measures, like deploying the military. Using the instability they've created to lock us down for our own good. Read Revelation 13:10. They can run, they cannot hide. I love you so much. I hope you have the best day ever.